everyone, welcome Legends Online. In this reaction, 96 divided by 2 gives us 48, and here we have 12 divided by 4, which equals 3. So 48 divided by 3 is just 16. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. If we do this division before this division, it's wrong. So first we have to do this division. 96 divided by 2 gives us 48. So 48 divided by 12 divided by 4. And now we have to do this division. 48 divided by 12 is just 4. So 4 divided by 4 can be written as 4 over 4, which equals 1. This is our final answer to this problem. Thanks for watching. Share, like, and subscribe to support the channel.